Last time I tried to make as much money as I could before my phone died and it was absolute chaos. But today I am taking it to the next level and instead of waiting for my phone to die, I've just got 2 hours to make as much money as possible starting right now.
The timer for 2 hours starts now. Here we go. By the way, that is Sam.
Hello guys.
Let's go to the beach. क्या आपके पास ₹1 रहेगा? We will not give up because you must remember Amitabh sir. If you have not watched part 1 already, you must watch it first before you watch this video.
Okay, now before we move ahead, our strategy was a little different than the last video. This time we thought we'd collect a good amount of money before we start selling stuff.
तुम्हारे पास ₹1 रहेगा? ₹1 रहेगा? Thank you. Thank you. That's a good question. Daniel Gupta. Subscribe.
Ankara Messi.
Now you go and ask somebody. What do I have to? Excuse me.
Do you have a ₹5 coin?
No.
I'm very bad at it. भैया हम एक वीडियो बना रहे हैं, क्या आपके पास ₹1 का कॉइन है?
है भाई, क्यों नहीं?
Excuse me sir, do you have 10 rupees? Do you have 10? Amitabh sir. Looking for people who has an iPhone. Sir आपके पास ₹10 रहेगा.
I don't have any cash only.
How much time do we have left? 47 minutes. Excuse me sir.
10 rupees. Yes. Give the 40 to somebody else who needs it. So you can keep the 10.
आपके पास ₹10 रहेगा.
आप ऑनलाइन इसको दे.
This is getting awkward. This is the awkward part that you don't see in a YouTube video. Huh? Thank you so much. Amitabh sir! If I fail to reach 500 rupees in 2 hours, I will jump in that sea.
That's
Excuse me ma'am! He has $10, so right now we have 62 rupees. I am wearing socks in my Crocs on the beach. Why am I wearing this? Thank you sir. Daniel Gupta. Subscribe करना.
भाई पूछना तो पड़ेगा ना.
Subscribe करो. Ask somebody for 20 rupees.
Excuse me भैया, हम एक वीडियो बना रहे हैं. Sorry. Excuse me भैया. Comfortable? Thank you.
We have 1 hour 28 minutes remaining. Do you have 20 rupees with you?
While I was explaining to this man about what we were doing, he seemed slightly hesitant to give us anything. And then this happened.
Yeah, speaking on behalf of the people, okay, many people will ask, why are you collecting this much of money and what do you will do afterwards? So what is your answer?
This is the third person
Third
that
person
have
that
asked.
asked.
No, ये बोलेंगे तो बिल्कुल नहीं देंगे.
कि वो
I will give it to a homeless person, somebody on the street.
हाँ.
Let's do that. I should have said that earlier. Let's do that now.
Should we change the idea? Or in 2020?
Bro, we are making money. But let's do something different now. आपके पास ₹50 रहेगा? Thank you so much. Thank you. This guy is the new Amitabh sir.
Amaruddin.
Amar.
Okay.
Amaruddin.
This is the person who ruled Qutub Minar, Amaruddin.
Let's get off the beach. We lost them. Let's just impersonate Shailesh right now. How did he run? He came running.
Amaruddin.
Are you comfortable being on camera? No worries, man. No worries. It's okay. I just said man. Wow, that was...
No worries, man.
I said no worries, man.
Bro, there's Amitabh Bachchan bungalow here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan's bungalow is where? How far is
In
it?
Juhu only.
How far is it?
I don't know. Check on Google.
I'm sorry, Amitabh sir. We can't make it to your home today.
What if Hrithik Roshan gives
But
₹1 crore?
I don't care about Hrithik Roshan. I care about Amitabh sir. We have 1 hour remaining. Sir, subscribe to Daniel Gupta. Excuse me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sir, आपके पास ₹50 है?
नहीं है. अरे
₹1 भी नहीं है.
डैनियल गुप्ता को सब्सक्राइब कर दो.
सर मुझे कुछ बात करना था. आप डैनियल गुप्ता को YouTube पर सब्सक्राइब करो. वही बोलना था. मेरा फोटो ही रहेगा. मेरा चेहरा देखो. आप पहचान जाओ.
सब्सक्राइब कर देना सब भाई को.
We have 56 minutes. Excuse me. Are you all busy right now? Do you have a minute to spare? We shall keep moving because we will remember Amitabh sir. We will remember what he told us.
Amaruddin.
Let's just see how far you go. He's not asked a single person. Oh no! He forgot.
No, where is
I think we need to find him. Excuse me, we are recording. Excuse me, do you mind if... Excuse me, sir.
Why are you running?
Wow, that guy scared me. That guy scared me.
I just told excuse me.
Let the master show you how it's done. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Bhaiya.
Excuse. Oh my goodness, guys. Amitabh sir. We will not fail you, Amitabh sir.
Amarbuddin.
हम लोग चलते चलते कहाँ गए हमको नहीं पता.
Amarbuddin.
Guys, we have 30 minutes and 28% battery.
I wish I had a
70.
flashback of me asking Sahil and Sahil is no I don't ask him to charge and search.
You didn't ask me that.
Bro, I told him to charge his phone. He charged till 70.
Hey guys, are you... No worries. Why do I sound like I'm from an NGO? I'm a YouTuber. Amitabh sir, we need you.
Amarbuddin.
And then something extraordinary happened. I'm not kidding, I can't script this stuff. While we were talking to this old man, he said this.
Amitabh Bachchan. Height. He told me I was Amitabh sir. Do you have 10 or 20 rupees by any chance? Thank you so much. Channel ko subscribe karo. Oh, Daniel Gupta. You wouldn't. Alright, no worries. Amitabh sir.
Amarbuddin.
21 minutes. Bro, we have 21 minutes. Excuse me.
So how do I know for a fact that you have given it to
You can subscribe to Daniel Gupta.
Daniel Gupta?
Yes. But there's a punishment though. I mean, if I don't get to 500 bucks,
I get double the money back.
I have. No. That's not how this works. Yeah, I have to jump in the sea.
You have to jump in the sea.
Fully clothed.
It's not worth it.
At night.
It's not worth it.
What's gonna happen?
There's so many diseases in there. We're giving it to the poor, no?
We gave 500 bucks?
Yeah.
Damn!
Oh my god!
Damn!
I can't believe
Guys,
I want to check.
I am saved!
And I'm not kidding. We gave 500 bucks.
My goodness me! The prophecy has been fulfilled! I am Amitabh sir!
Amarbuddin.
We have 18 minutes remaining.
My heart is like beating fast.
And just when we thought it was over, we met these really nice guys who also gave us a good sum of money.
Watch the video, subscribe!
My phone has around 800 rupees in just 5 minutes.
Literally in 5 minutes, that's actually... Let's ask the guys in the Jeep. Excuse me. That is such a coincidence, I'm blown away. Hey guys, we're looking to... No worries, it's alright.
Why girls are rejecting me?
Okay.
Amarbuddin.
Looking for gains, not girls. Daniel, play some cool music right now. Can you just keep quiet? I think I'm cool.
No.
I am cool right now. Can you just... Daniel, play some cool music and mute him. How much time do we have? 9 minutes.
Daniel, can you guess उन्होंने क्या बोला? मेरे जाने का टाइम है.
जाने का time.
That's dark.
That is dark. That is dark. Subscribe to Daniel Gupta on YouTube. Okay मत बोलो, subscribe करो.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Amitabh sir. Now I don't need to look up. I need to look inside.
That's deep.
But not as deeper than the holes that the rejections have made in me.
Oh wow.
That's also deep. Say that.
Yeah, that's also deep. Deep.
Very deep.
Very deep.
Thank you. Goodness.
Bro, why are people so generous now?
Everybody is so different.
They are generous.
Yeah, see, you should understand. Thank you so much, sir. That is what you saw. That is 100 rupees.
Yeah, we have.
Oh my goodness, we are done. Whatever you do, do not put sand on me.
It's already on you.
No! Oh! I forgot that I put it in the one that has the chain. Oh! Guys.
Oh my god!
Guys, people are going to think that we're going to keep this. They're keeping this for ourselves.
Plus 50.
Woo! 1073. We annihilated the challenge. I was supposed to get 500 bucks.
We have collected over 1,000 rupees.
Yay! A child just fell right now. A child just slipped on a ball. Why am I laughing? I'm sure you've lost a lot of calories.
Yeah.
Amen.
You have burned a lot of fat.
That is not a compliment.
Amarbuddin.
2 घंटा कैसे निकला we don't know. But
I know.
इतना सारा पैसा
I know कैसा निकला भाई. I know कैसा निकला.
I know. You were to just walking.
And then with that, we bought a lot of samosas. I mean, seriously, a lot of samosas. You'll be surprised to know how many samosas you can get in 1,000 rupees. Leaving that aside, this was the most amazing video I have ever filmed. Knowing that 50 or more people won't be going to sleep hungry tonight.
Bye guys. My eyes are
Subscribe to Daniel Gupta.
Amarbuddin.